Hi guys, Cheryl here again. I just wanted to do a quick video and just talk a little bit about earlier this evening when I was about to listen to the um, Monday night conference call with Dave Woods hosting. And when I signed in with my PIN number on the phone, the recording came up and said, "This conference call has reached its maximum limit." And I was really upset because I really wanted to get on the call and listen, and I was trying to get on as fast as I could. And it was only after about 5 minutes, if that, past 7 o'clock, when it was already full to its capacity. So Empower Network is growing. People are just getting in. People are realizing that this is the real deal, and it's an incredible opportunity for anyone to come in and just follow the 8 core steps and just be trainable and teachable and just do what you need to do to get in and get all in. Anyway, back to when I was trying to get on the conference call, I tried one more time and I started thinking, I really want to get on this call. So I'm going to try again and maybe someone will get off the call and just get me enough space to be able to get in. So I'll just keep trying. I tried about 3 or 4 more times and finally I got in. It was about 20 minutes after 7, but I still got in and I was thinking, maybe somebody would get off early and I can still get in because I know the calls usually go really long, and I'll still be able to get a lot of um, good nuggets and information. And it once again, it was a great call, and I just love this opportunity because it's helping me to step out of my comfort zone and get in front of people and do videos. That was one of my um, fears, that I had to get in front of the camera and talk to people and even tell people personal things. And just being on the call and hearing um, different people get on and give their testimonies about why they joined Empower Network or what is going on in their personal life, and yet they are still building this business at an incredible rate. I said, well, I need to get out of my comfort zone and start making videos and just do everything that Dave Woods and Dave Sharp is saying, and the leaders in the company are saying and doing also, because they're getting results. And that's what I want to do. I want to get results. So that's why I'm just putting out this short video, because I wanted to do another video besides the one I just did a few minutes ago, talking about uh, pothole to Arabian Road. And that's a really good story that I wanted to put out also, because it's one that helps you to think about the decisions that you have to make. Sometimes they're small decisions, sometimes they're huge, they're major decisions that you have to make, and you have to sometimes just stop and think about the pros and cons of what you're going to do with that decision. So uh, that's all for now. It's late here at my home. My hair is tired. My husband is tired. You probably hear him making music back there in the background, but that's okay. Like I said, I'm just stepping out of my comfort zone and just making these videos, and uh, that's all I have to say. Guys, we're just real people making real money, and we would love for you to come in and join us. Um, just go ahead and click on the button below and just come on and get on in and have fun. This is an amazing journey, and it's life changing. So come on, let's get involved. and see you on the inside. Go ahead, um, go to the website, go to our website, www.makinglivesmeaningful.com. Okay, go ahead and fill out, just put your email address in there so we can stay in contact, keep in contact, and just go ahead and check out the website and just come on and join. It's only $25. $25 a month to get the kind of information and the money that you'll be able to make is, you know, as long as you put in the effort. Okay, it's up to you. Okay, we're making money, but it's up to you to do the work that you need to do to start making money also. But we want you to join us. It's life changing. It's fun. Our team is amazing. It's like a family. I know you probably heard that maybe before, where people talk about um, it's uh-oh, I haven't started my other video here. Let's see if I can stop it. Yes, there we go. All right. Now, hopefully, I'm still recording, but that's all for now. And I will see you on the inside. Bye bye.